Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You climb a stable ladder and approach the leak area. First, identify the exact source by tracing water stains and checking seams. Once located, clear 1 to 2 feet around the spot with a wire brush. Removing rust and old sealant improves bonding. Next, measure and cut a metal patch slightly larger than the hole and test fit it. When you understand the geometry of the panel and seam, prepare your drill, 1/2 pop rivets, and roofing cement so you can install the patch immediately. Position the metal patch and apply a generous bead of roofing cement beneath the edges to create a waterproof bed. This bonds and fills unevenness. Pre-drill holes through patch and panel, then set 1/2 pop rivets every 3 to 4 inches to secure the piece firmly. This prevents wind uplift. Once fastened, run lap sealant along the perimeter and over rivet heads, then smooth it to create a shedding profile so water runs off cleanly. Make sure sealant contacts both surfaces for a durable. Allow the roofing cement and lap sealant to cure as directed. While it sets, clean up and inspect the interior ceiling for lingering stains or active drips. Once cured, test the repair with a controlled light spray from a hose, watching water flow and the patched area for any seepage. If you see weeping at the seam, reapply sealant to that localized spot and press firmly. If leakage continues after reworking or if flashing is compromised beneath the panel, stop and call a roofing professional to avoid hidden structural damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.